Hello dear students, today we are starting new lesson. So it's unit 9, cities of the world. First of all, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so you can subscribe to my channel and you can get new videos earlier. Okay, thank you very much. Here we go. Now listen and read. So first of all, we have two questions here. Who are they? Who are these people or students? His name is Tom and her name is Mai. And next question, what are they talking about? They are, as you see, they are talking about the pictures. Okay, they are talking about the pictures. And what nice photos. So we have some new words today, okay? The first one, modern. Modern. Modern is kind of adjective. This building is very modern, okay? Modern is adjective. And next one is in Vietnamese, hien Thai. And next one is egg-shaped. Egg-shaped. As you see, it looks like an egg. So it is egg-shaped building. And Go Hin Chung. And next one, continent. 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 So look, dia. Place of interest. Place of interest is kind of noun. Yeah, these are place of interest. They are interesting places and they are very attractive to tourists. Okay? This is in Vietnamese. I can't read, it's a bit long. So let's see one more time. Let's read them again. Modern, modern, egg-shaped, egg-shaped, egg-shaped. Continent, continent, continent. As you see. Place of interest, place of interest, place of interest. Modern, the stress is on the first syllables, modern. Egg-shaped, here the stress is on the first syllables. And continent, continent, also it is on the first syllable. And then place of interest, it is in the second word. Okay, place of interest. So do you remember them in English? The first one, do you remember what is this? It is modern. And do you remember this one? It is egg-shaped. And do you remember this one? Continent. And do you remember this one? It is place of interest. Okay, here we go. So now we have a dialogue and we will read this dialogue together. Let's start. What nice photos! Have you been to all these places? Yes, I have been to most of them. This is Rio de Janeiro. It is an exciting city, but sometimes it's very hot. Is the weather there hotter than in Sydney? Oh yes, Sydney isn't so hot. I have been to the beaches there many times with my family. They are the cleanest and the most beautiful in the world. Is this London? What bad weather! Yes, we have been there twice. Can you see the Big Ben? There are also modern buildings, like this egg-shaped building. And this must be Times Square in New York. Yes, I have never been there. This photo is from my brother. It looks great, doesn't it? Now exercise 2. Read the conversation again, then tick true or false, T or F. Number 1. Tom and Mai are reading book. It is wrong, it is false. So, what should it be? Tom and Mai are looking at photos on the computer. Number 2. Tom has been to all 4 cities. It is false. It should be Tom has been to most of the cities. Number 3. Tom has been to Sydney many times. It's true. Number 4. All the buildings in London are old. It is false because some of them, there are modern buildings in London as well. Tom has taken many photos of Times Square. It is false. Tom has never been to New York. The photos is from his brother. And exercise 3. Name of the continents. Okay, the first one is here. It is Asia. Asia. And number 2 is Europe. Europe. And number 3 is Africa. 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 And number 4 is North America. North America. And number 5 is South America. South America. And number 6 is Australia. Australia. And number 7 is Antarctica. Antarctica. Okay? So let's read them again. Asia. Asia. Europe. Europe. And Africa. Africa. And number 4, North America. North America. And number 5, South America. South America. And number 6 is Australia. Australia. And number 7 is Antarctica. 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 Okay? And now name the continents again. As you see here, North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica. Antarctica. Okay? And there are also some ocean here. Arctic Ocean and Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Southern Ocean, Indian Ocean. Now exercise 4. Match the words in the blue box to the names of the places in the yellow box. Okay, so as you see here, there are some countries or cities, capital cities, and also places of interest and continents, and we'll match them. Which one is continent? Okay, for example, continent and country, city, capital, place of interest. Continent. So the continents are Asia, Africa. Country, Sweden, the USA. City, Hanoi, Amsterdam, and Nha and Liverpool. The capital is Hanoi of Vietnam. And place of interest, Ben Thanh Market, and the Lower, and Amsterdam. Okay. Now, exercise 5, game. There's a game here. The name is Around the World. So it's a bit interesting game. In groups of 4, choose a country and ask your friends the questions below and any others you can think of or guess it. Okay? So look at here, please. The first question, which continent is it in? So what is its capital? What are its major cities? Major cities. And what is it famous for? Okay, so like it's kind of model game here, as you see. Which continent is it in? For example, It is in Asia. And what is its capital? It's Hanoi. What are its major cities? They are Hanoi, Haiphong, Da Nang, Ho Chi Minh cities. What is it famous for? It is famous for its heroic history, its traditions and culture, its beautiful landscapes, its specialties and traditional cuisines, and people's hospitality. Okay, one more time. It's famous for its heroic history, its traditions and culture, its beautiful landscape, its specialties and traditional cuisines, and people's hospitality. Specialties, hospitality, traditional cuisines, landscapes, tradition, heroic history, culture. Okay? So it's about Vietnam. I love Vietnam. Okay, here we. So now it's your turn. There are here 4 questions. Okay, there are here 4 questions. And it's your turn. Please write 4 answers for these 4 questions. Write your answers in the comments below. Okay, in the comments below. And you can choose any country. Okay, and you can write answers for each of these questions, and I will try to find what country are you talking about. Okay, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you loved my videos, please touch the like button under the video. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.